At 5:06 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen over the past 6 hours and the heavy rainfall continues. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Clinton, Roseboro, Stedman, Salenberg, Falcon, Orchardville, Bushy Lake Natural Area, and Cedar Creek. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood advisory in effect until 7 a.m.